Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Mason. Today we're going to talk about my favorite laptop backpack or bag or everything, because it's kind of like all in one. So if you need something you can use to carry your laptop and a few clothes and just travel light, this is probably the bag for you. So let's get straight into today's video. So before we get into today's video, make sure you check out my free teeth and eyes whitening action that I just put out. I'll put a link in the description. I'll also put a link up here, and also check out my skin tone lot for medium to dark skin tones that I just put out. It really doesn't matter what color the person is. I'm pretty sure that the lot is going to work. So yeah, definitely check that out. So yeah, today's video, and I'll tell you about me and backpacks. I am somebody that I typically take my laptop to different places to probably go show clients stuff, and probably on the road I always want to have my laptop with me. I'm somebody that I do almost everything on my laptop, so having a good laptop bag is something that I always wanted. But I've probably gone through a few, and sometimes I just have like a small sleeve where I put my laptop in it, but also I just want to be able to carry a lot of stuff that I typically take around, like my chargers. You know, if I'm going to be like staying over at a friend's house, pack a few clothes, pack some things, and just, you know, my hard drives and all that stuff when I'm going. So having a backpack or having a bag that would be able to do a lot of those things for me is something that, you know, is really important to me. So fast forward to when I got this particular bag, and I'm just going to show it to you guys. Focus. So yeah, this bag right here, yes, it is definitely not a looker. Trust me, it is not a looker. According to somebody that's pretty close to me, she said it looks funny, but I love how it looks. So yeah, now this is a bag that is probably not as pretty as it should be, but it is really functional, and I'm just going to like show you guys everything that you can actually fit into this bag and the amount of pockets that it actually has. So yeah, let's get to showing you people that particular thing. So guys, this is the bag right here. It is called Cool Bell. It has the name right here, so the branding isn't like a lot. You just don't have a lot of branding all over the bag. You just have your Cool Bell right here. Now, the most interesting thing about this bag for me is how many, will I say pockets it has. It has too many pockets. So let's just start with the small ones. So for a start, right here, you have this pocket right here that you can put things, I don't know, probably like a cell phone or whatever you want to put in here. I might not advise that, but yeah, so you have this pocket right here. And the next one is up top here, you have another pocket, which is just right here. So just going to zip that. Then right here, you have one other one. So in front here, you have three. So you have the first one, which is this right here. Then you have the second one, which is this. And you have the third one, which is right here. So you have all three on both sides. So right here, this zip again, and you have this zipper right here. And by the way, the zippers actually feel really good. I've had this bag for a couple months now, and I've not had any issues with it. Now, obviously, I do not use this bag every day, but it's just held up nice. The next thing about this bag is the main compartment. So you have this right here, which is padded for your laptop. Now the one I got is the 17-inch, or it's for the 17-inch laptop, and that's because I wanted more space for not just my laptop but also my Wacom tablet, which is the medium one. Then you now have this space right here. Now inside the space you still have a couple pockets that you can just put things. Maybe you can fit your cell phone in this. Let's just try if this magnet fit it. And yeah, see, cell phone fits in there nicely, and you have other spaces right here. And I just throw in my G drive into this place, my SSD drive, and probably my dongle for my Mac. So yeah, that's what I do with that. And you have space again up top where you can put the clothes. This is like a handle if you want to use it as a briefcase. This works, but you have space in here that you can put your clothes in. You can take a couple clothes in case you're traveling, and that's the amazing thing about the bag, the fact that you can take out a lot of things. Now in front here again, you still have space for more things. I'm just going to fold this out so you guys can see. you can put more things inside here. Again, that's just how amazing and how you have so much space that you can work with this bag right here. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored in any way. I just really love the bag, so putting it out there. Then right here, this is something I love about the bag again, is you can actually switch it from being a normal laptop bag to a backpack, and all you have to do is just key this in right here and bring this out from the side again. Why is that taking so long? Yeah, then you key this in, and right now you have a backpack that you can carry. Feels a little bit comfortable. I wouldn't say it's the best backpack in the world, but just in case you need to carry it that way, it works. And also if you're traveling and you just want to slide this, what do you call that stuff, in your you want to take it as a carry-on, you can easily slide it into your travel bag, or what do you call that thing. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's how much space this bag has, and I feel like it just has enough space for me if I'm traveling and I'm packing a few things, probably my laptop, my Wacom tablet, a few clothes, toothbrushes, hard drives, all those things, just for a few days. Then this is definitely going to work for me. So you can just take this and add it to like your camera bag if you can't already pour those things in your camera bag, or if you do not need to carry your camera anywhere, you can just go with this. So that's it. That's the Coolwell bag. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys are looking to get it, and you guys can definitely copy from Amazon. I think it's about $49 right now, and for $49 I think it's worth it. The only problem I have with this bag is I really do not know how long it's going to last. I don't know if this is real leather, but I doubt it. All this right here, I doubt these things are real leather, but you know, for $49 you're not expecting something that is going to be made with pure leather. But who knows, maybe. Feels good. But yeah, that's it. I just don't know how long it will last, but like I said, I've been using this since May and it has held up and it still looks good. There are other colors. I just picked this one because I really like it, and you guys can definitely check it out. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. If you love the backpack and you love this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to purchase anything that I talk about on this channel, you can use the links below. They are affiliate links, so if you buy from that, then I get a certain commission from it, and it's just going to help the channel grow a lot more. So you guys should definitely try it out. So yeah, that's about it. If you love this backpack, give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, also subscribe to this channel. Check out my presets. I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to, you know, go to my store and download the free ones, or probably buy anything you want to buy from there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing week. Peace.